Yep, I want to show you something about this plugin. It took me years to get this. And today, you can just know it by watching this video. Very simple. This is Saturn 2 by Fabfilter. And there is something I did not use. And that is its multiband function. I have it on this drum bus here. But I didn't know how to use this multiband function for a long time. I know how to use it now, but I didn't know how to use it before. Now, this is how to use it. If you click here, no, nothing will work. You have to come to this top till you see something like plus. When you see this thing like plus here, you click. So let's say I need to do something different for the highs. So I have it on the drum bus here with the hi-hat, snare, and those stuff. So I can make some different changes to the high. Maybe increase this dynamic here. Okay, it's not on. It's on now. On that dynamic, increase it. Maybe I can increase the feedback a little. Let's hear it. Okay. And I'll turn down the mix. All this stuff I'm doing now is only for this part. It's not affecting this. It's from about 1000 down. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the mix now. Increase the drive. I'm just playing around here. I don't want much saturation there at the low end, but you can do whatever you want. You can even add another one to the mid-range. Then you can add another one again. Then you can add another one again. Let me see how much we can add. Okay, I think we can add more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we can split it to 6 bands and do what we want. You know, it took me a long time to know that, and I don't want you to go through all that. Just watch my videos and find out things instead of taking years to go through some things in music production. Just watch my videos and you learn them. I'm just showing you what is possible. I would like to reduce the mix here, the down here, maybe to 50%. The fact that you can put this saturation to different bands, you can choose different bands and do this thing. It's just so good. And I thought I should just show you this. You can use this for different things. It's not like you must put it on drums, but I'm just showing you. Also, if there was something that took you a long time to know, like with a plugin that took you a long time, you've been using the plugin and you didn't know that thing was there, let us know in the comment section. There are many people who would like to know. Maybe they are going through the same thing. You just open their eyes to it. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I'm a pro to this 111 Pro Studio. That's it.